Jean-Noël Capferrer, thanks for joining us on Xerfi Canal. You're an emeritus professor at HEC Paris in charge of the executive certificate in luxury program. So much has changed in this very particular sector that is luxury in recent years. Can you tell us what are the new keys to performance for managers?
Well, luxury has based its success on storytelling about craftsmen, about atelier, about the upper part of the value chain. But now the whole gravity center of the value chain has moved downwards. It has moved towards retail. It has moved towards the client. Nobody cared about the client so far. They cared about the product. Now it's about the client, retail, etc. Fantastic revolution. And the industry was not ready for that. It has to adapt fast without losing their soul. Now, what does retail mean for luxury? What's the difference between Zara and a luxury shop or a Nike shop, etc.? Is that, in fact, it's almost a religious reason. Brands have to defend their price premium. Tangible aspects can defend it, but it's mostly symbolic strength, symbolic aspiration, etc. So, in fact, retail is a theater, retail is a temple, retail is where the faith is permanently refueled. And that's very important because at the time of digital, salespeople in retail used to sell. Now they don't sell anymore because people who enter the store, they know more than the salespeople. And the salespeople are now the support, the propeller of the faith. And that's very important. So everything has to be changed in the luxury industry, from HR to supply chain to logistics to salespeople, etc. Revolution.
The luxury market has also opened up to emerging countries in the recent decades. What does it imply for brands?
Well, it's very important to remember that emerging countries were formerly poor countries. And now there is a middle class, there are millionaires, etc. And luxury today, the success of luxury, the growth of the luxury sector, which is $1 trillion worldwide, is based on mobility. Europe, there is no more mobility. In emerging countries, there is a lot of mobility, which means former poor become new riches. So the success of luxury is new riches. But you become rich before you have culture. So the problem for the luxury industry, which is based on heritage, culture, identity, etc., is to sell to people who don't understand you. But they need the brands as visas of distinction. They need the brands to say, I am moving up the ladder. So there is a contradiction between the storytelling about culture and the fact that the buyers are, in fact, they don't care. They have to be taught. There is education there. And you don't educate the same way somebody in Saudi Arabia, somebody in Mongolia, somebody in Brazil, or somebody in Uzbekistan.
A word about digital strategy, Jean-Noël Capferrer. Brands have long been reluctant to digital in the luxury sector. So what are the keys to a successful digital strategy nowadays?
Brands have been reluctant vis-à-vis digital because they were afraid of success. Remember, the whole strategy of luxury brands is to propose less than demand, create a huge demand that you cannot supply. And internet is opening the possibility of an extraordinary explosion of demand. And they said, what are we going to do with that? So they were in fact afraid of success. Second, they were afraid of being one click away from Zara, one click away from Uniqlo. Avenue Montaigne, you have no Zara or Uniqlo, so you have Zara but no Uniqlo on internet. So they were very afraid. Now they realize that in China, WeChat is 600 million people, that Alibaba e-commerce site is 400 million people. So we cannot be out of this. But beware, digital doesn't mean e-commerce. E-commerce has been a way to access to million people and to start branding, that is education. So the big thing that we have learned from Asia, that we have learned from China, etc., is that we must be there, the industry must be there, and there are websites on WeChat in China or on Alibaba, Tmall or Taobao, but they are not there to sell the whole thing because then it's the death of retail. They are there to educate. It's going to take long term, but it is strategic.
Well, thank you very much, Jean-Noël Capferrer, for your time. It was
Thank you very much.